Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today starts the first day of week 4, which is the last week in phase 1 of 80 Day Obsession. I'm excited. I'm still cheating on the meal plan, but this video is going to show you exactly what I do eat, sometimes eat, what I will be eating for this next week for week number 4. So if you just want to see some of that food, because it's a lot of food, it really is. I'm not starving myself, and just watch this video. So I quick want to do a recap of week 3. I have been getting a lot better with those workouts, but there are still some of those moves that I just kind of modify, and I'm totally okay with modifying some of those. What I've seen, I don't actually know if we were supposed to step on the scale or not step on the scale, but I decided to step on the scale and I pretty much weigh the exact same, but I have lost some inches. So I've lost an inch in both of my thighs, but my left thigh is still bigger than my right thigh, but it is what it is. This last week, if you watched my last video, I had 2 different options for pre-workout meals and 2 different options for post-workout meals, for dinner and before I work out. So I had pumpkin oat pancakes. That was one of the things I had for pre-workouts, and I actually really liked those. I made those for breakfast yesterday too, because it makes me feel like I'm eating a little bit more breakfast food, and that veggie pumpkin doesn't really taste like a veggie to me, so that's good. The other one was a turkey bacon quinoa with some eggs and some other stuff, and it was like a little muffin, and the turkey bacon just kind of weirded me out, so I kept thinking it was pretty gross. I probably won't make those again, but definitely pumpkin pancakes on my list. We'll be making those, but I'm still having those cheat days, which suck. I don't mean to, but I definitely consciously make that decision that I'm like, yeah, I'm hungry, I'm up, I'm staying up later. It's just the weekends because I just have little snacks, and little snacks add up when you have like 3 little snacks in a row. So this week, let's talk about what I'm meal prepping. Let's talk about what I made for basically Monday through Friday and probably some of Saturday too. Breakfast starts off with yogurt, Greek yogurt. It's plain Greek yogurt. It does not taste good by itself, so I threw some cinnamon in there and then some vanilla and just a tad bit of honey. There's Fred making noises in the back. Hi, Fred. And then I have a cup of fruit. So this week I did fresh fruit, some strawberries and blueberries, mixed it up, threw those blueberries in there. Then comes the next meal, because my breakfast is typically at 3 in the morning, so my next little meal is at about 6:30. That is 12 almonds. Count out my little 12 almonds, and that's a blue cup, so like a healthy fat. Then comes another cup of veggies. So last week I was just doing strictly cauliflower, had some cauliflower left over, so I threw in some bell peppers. Then we go to the next meal, and I consider this my lunch, and that is a cup of veggies, so a cup of spring mix, and then an orange container of dressing, oil-based dressing. So this week I have 4 different options that I'm going with, and then also have to have a little red cup of protein, so I threw some chicken on there. Last week I switched it up, had chicken and steak, and then I just put that all in a little container and put a lid on it, and I feel like it's like an adult Lunchable. And then I throw a fork in there too, and it's good to go. Then finally we are on to pre-workout meal, and that this week is going to be a sandwich. I'm gonna have some lettuce, tomato, and then salami, Black Forest ham. I'll probably throw some spicy mustard on there. I think that's legal. I don't know, whatever, I'm gonna do it anyways. And then I have 1 piece of bread, so I'll just make it a half a sandwich, and it's just gonna be kind of stacked. Then comes the workout. So I'll do that workout. After the workout, I will have another purple container, which is a cup of fruit. So I'm probably either have an apple or half a banana. Then comes my dinner finally. This week is going to be meatballs, and that's a red container. Then yellow container is mashed potatoes. Then a cup of veggies, so I'm going with green beans. So that's what I'm eating this week. A lot of food that I have to eat, and it is the hardest thing to do on the weekend because I just don't want to eat those things. I try on the weekends my hardest to eat all the food I'm supposed to and eat right and not eat crappy, but again, it is what it is. So if you're just starting the 80 Day Obsession journey, or maybe you're interested in it, or just somehow stumbled across this video on YouTube or whatever, like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, or if you have done this 80-day session or you're a little bit further or maybe a little behind from where I am, let me know and subscribe to my channel. We can keep up to date with each other, and again, just communicate with me. Let me know where you're at or if you're interested in trying this out. Again, I'm not a coach or anything, but I am seeing results and I am liking it. And if you do subscribe, you can see more of Fred. He's always here, always here.